With Jerry Kaulback. Jerry has come in for our Details R Certified Detailer Licensee Training Program. Jerry's been here since Friday. Jerry and his wife Jody are actually starting a detailing business called Sniper Elite Detailing in his town. So what'd you learn this weekend? What do you feel?
We learned Friday. We learned the business aspect of it. It's a lot more than I thought it was going to be.
Is that a good thing?
Bit overwhelming
Yep.
to start with, but I'll get it, and it's what Jody's there for.
Sure.
To do what I.
She's
going
to make a good business partner.
Right.
And Saturday was the exterior.
Saturday was the exterior. I actually learned a lot more. I usually don't use power tools, but it's a lot faster with the power tools. Ceramic coating I learned. Ceramic coating the inside on Saturday or Sunday was ceramic coating the inside, detailing the inside. New way to wash the windows.
And you guys are getting a building, right?
Yeah, we have a building now.
Yeah. How many square feet?
About 2,800.
2,800. So you're going to do hand car washing, detailing,
Right.
paint
Ceramic
correction,
coating,
ceramic coatings, the whole gambit.
Restoration of headlights.
Headlight.
That's something new I learned.
That's awesome. Well, you're now Details R certified, man. You did a fantastic job. I mean,
Thanks.
I mean this with all sincerity, with not having any detailing experience at all. You know, watching you use the Rupees DA polishers, the extractor, the application of the ceramic coatings. Honestly, it looks like you've been doing this for years.
Thanks.
Congratulations.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.